Hello! Today I'm doing something I've never done before, and I'm going to be honest, I don't know much about it. It's traditional Chinese medicine. I've never been told not to brush my tongue before, which is a bit weird, but I want to see it warts and all. I don't have any warts on my tongue, just an expression. At least I don't think I do. I'm a bit nervous about this because it's kind of out of my comfort zone, but I'm up for it. Bring it on.
Traditional Chinese medicine views health as a process of maintaining balance and harmony.
Wow, this is not what I thought.
Dr. Melissa Carr has practiced TCM for more than 10 years.
Well, let's take a look at your tongue.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking at the color, the shape, and the size of your tongue, and the coating. A lot of that tells us what's going on inside the body. Our body's mapped many times over, so the tongue is just one of the places we can do a diagnosis. So I have a book here.
That looks like a slab of raw beef, doesn't it?
It does.
I would not be showing you my tongue if I had one like that. No, I don't have a tongue.
So the coating is why I asked you to not brush your tongue. There should be a thin white coat on the tongue. You don't have very much coating. So it means that your stomach energy is not digesting things well and not reflecting the energy.
That's fitting. I struggle with stomach problems.
We're gonna take your pulse.
She's checking its character, whether it's slippery, soggy, slow, plus what it reveals about my vital organs.
Here we have the lungs, your spleen, and your kidneys.
And what's my pulse telling you?
Your kidney yang energy is showing some weakness, and that paired with it being a little slow shows that you have a little bit of cold.
I'm always cold, and particularly my hands and feet.
Okay, that shows up there on your pulse.
Wow, this is fascinating.
So based off of what we've done today, I feel that acupuncture would be a suitable treatment for you.
So sharp, pointy things will be stuck in my body to release blocked energy and boost my immunity.
Are the needles big?
They are very, very thin. You can fit about 10 inside of an average hypodermic needle, an injection needle. So what we're doing is we're working with qi, or energy. This one is a large intestine point, and the idea is to help your digestive system. So you might feel a little mosquito bite. And out. Not so bad, right?
You've done it. It felt like you just flicked me with your
I
finger.
did. I just got a little...
I've got a needle in me.
One wee needle won't fix chronic digestive problems. For that, you'll need about 5 sessions.
I feel a warmth.
Yeah. Ask you to take a nice deep breath
Oh.
in. This one is a common one to do for relaxing the mind. I need if you want to close your eyes.
Okay.
It's
right.
over really quick. Deep breath in and out. Was that so bad?
I can't open my... Oh my goodness. I'm scared.
It's done.
I can't believe I'm saying this. It just feels nice and pleasant in a warm, calming way. That's bizarre.
Still to come, back bumps gone wild.
This is such a strange sensation.
Later, the truth comes out.
Puke on my head.
It wasn't that bad.
I'm having my first taste of traditional Chinese medicine. Since it's been practiced for thousands of years, I figured it's about time. So far, I've been pressed and pierced.
Look, it's a needle dance.
Now the cups are coming in. They're used for everything from blood disorders and asthma to migraines, but my treatment is for stress.
Well, for you today, the main benefit of cupping is going to be to help to relax some of your tight muscles in your upper back and shoulder. So it's almost like a reverse massage.
Whoa. That's kind of funny.
Once they're there, it'll start to increase the amount of suction that you get. You actually start to feel more of the tissue go up into the cup and more of the stretching of the tight muscles. How's it feel when I move that?
Oh, I love that. This is such a strange sensation. I like this.
So taking them off, all I have to do is introduce a little air into it.
Am I gonna have giant love bites on my back?
You may look like you were attacked by an octopus.
Yeah, that one's pretty massive, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow. Well, they're bigger cups than my cup sizes in the front, that's for sure. So that was my first taste of traditional Chinese medicine, but it was anything but traditional for me. The cupping was just, bizarre.
And thankfully, these bruises will fade in about a week.
It kind of felt like a massage, but more intense, and I still feel this wonderful warmth in my muscles, and I will definitely be trying out traditional Chinese medicine again.
I'm catching up with shopping experts Anne and Christina for a really sick tip.
Here's a product you've got to put on your list. Anti-nausea bracelets. I'm someone who gets motion sickness frequently. On planes, trains, automobiles, pretty much
Head spins around.
It is not pleasant. So I discovered these bracelets on a cruise ship. I usually take Gravol to fight motion sickness, but it makes me really sleepy.
So motion sickness happens when the fluid in your inner ear gets out of sync with what your eyes are seeing. The confusion to the brain is what makes you feel sick.
So this is how you're supposed to wear them. So you put that on, and you wear them.
It looks good, too.
Yeah, it's really stylish. You can play tennis, too. So you want to start at the crease in your wrist, 3 fingers down where the index finger is. That's where the little ball goes. And it should be right between your 2 tendons. So you can squeeze your fist if you want to find where those are.
The way it works is that a stud is sewn into the band, and that puts pressure on an acupressure point, and that tells the brain to release endorphins. And of course, endorphins are natural painkillers.
We should really be wearing them all the time.
You can wear them all the time. You don't just have to put them on when you're starting to feel sick.
What I like about these is that they're drug-free, and so pregnant women can use them. People who are undergoing chemotherapy can wear them.
Are they perfect?
They're not
They're
perfect.
not perfect.
I have been on an extremely bumpy plane ride.
I was there.
Yes, and it didn't work.
Puke on my head.
It wasn't that bad.
It's bad.
But most of the time, these work like a hot dance.
But of course, you can try to avoid motion sickness before it starts by always facing the direction in which you're traveling and breathing fresh air as much as possible.
This is why I always insist on sitting in the front seat of the car.
Anti-nausea wristbands are A&K approved.
Anything that prevents barfing is A&K approved.